Seems to me that love is everywhere. Often it's not particularly dignified or newsworthy, but it's always there. If you look for it, I've got a sneaky feeling you'll find that love actually is all around.
I've had a lot on my mind.
Work tough?
Well, it's more of a love thing, actually.
Oh, here we go again.
What's the best sex you ever had?
It's definitely one of the Kardashians. But which one, Mike? Which one?
For once unafraid, I can go where life leads me. Somehow I know I'll be strong. For once I can say, this is mine, you can't take it.
Who is it?
As long as I know I have love, I can make it. For once in my life, I have someone who needs me. Hey, yeah.
Very attractive turtleneck today.
Oh, yes, thank you. And they're right back in fashion.
Or not.
How many times have I told you not to dance down the stairs?
Oh, yes, well, once or twice.
For once in my life, I have someone who
What was that?